Welcome. Katoyo.
My vlog.
Hello,
Welcome,
mga
Toyo.
katoyo.
I'm washing the dishes.
Eh? Galing yan.
Hi!
Welcome mga katoyo.
Okay,
Ako
finish
si-
na. Arrange na tayo. What you will do, wash your hands slowly. Slowly. Where you will put the clean one? Where? Here. Sige, wash your hands. Sige na. Okay na. Okay na. Careful ha. Slowly. Yan.
Dalawang kamay. Oh, wash mo. Rub.
Other side. Other
Rub
side.
para wala ng sabon.
Yan. Good.
Dalawang kamay. Baka mabasag.
Put it here. Yan. Very good.
Other one.
Next.
Dahan-dahan lang. Sige. Dahan-dahan. Rub para mawala yung sabon. Hindi na slippery. Oh, the other one. Rub. Wala ng sabon.
Okay. Put it here.
The other one.
Next. Oh, still there. Yan.
May sabon pa, oh. Ayusin mo naman na.
Ang dali. Ayos na. Wash na. Wash mo na yan.
Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa
One by
lang.
one. Yan. Wash properly, ha. Dali, ayos na. Tapos,